schools in the Avon-Maitland District School Board are preparing students for a world that is vastly different than that of their parents and grandparents. Our educators and support staff are constantly redefining the tools our students need to be successful in life. They are equipping them to be the leaders of tomorrow and to instill an attitude of lifelong learning.
Hello, future Golden Bears, and welcome to Stratford District Secondary School. My name is Barry Promain, and I'm one of the vice principals here. Let me start by saying, you and I have something in common already. I'm new to this place, and well, you're about to be new here, which I guess technically makes us the new people at SDSS. You're with me, right? So, let me fill you in a little bit on the inside scoop. We've got you covered. Here's what I've learned since my arrival. SDSS is one amazing place. With the merger of two outstanding high schools, we've created a powerhouse high school that has everything you possibly need to succeed. We believe in developing kind, curious, and capable people. The minute you step inside to Golden Bear territory, you'll be thrilled to see the unbelievable number of unique classes that you can take. I know there's something here for you. Beyond the core courses, we offer classes in fitness, photography, programming, welding, medical science, French immersion, video production, automotive repair, dance, computer engineering, Spanish, architecture, design, law, instrumental and vocal music, construction, drawing, sculpting, robotics, business leadership, theater production, horticulture, cosmetology, co-op, and hockey. We also have a student-run restaurant with amazing food called the Screaming Avocado. Now, not only are there unbelievably cool classes, but there are also some equally cool clubs and teams for you to join in grade 9. As I said, we got you covered. Now, let's check in with some of our very own Golden Bears to hear about the SDSS impact on them.
My name is Haywan Amare, and I'm a grade 11 student here at SDSS. Currently, I'm taking all 3 of the sciences and math, and I plan on attending university and going into the medical field. In preparation for the university stream, I took enriched courses, which allowed me to work in an environment with like-minded people that enjoyed the subject. Although I was nervous about the workload, much of the work ended up being optional, and more of the experience came from the class discussions and the class environment. In terms of extracurriculars, I participate in the Students' Council and Jazz and Symphonic Band. A cool thing about the Jazz and Symphonic Band is that they give me extra credits outside of school. I also participated in curling and badminton last year, in which I was surrounded by a great circle of people. Outside of school, I volunteer as a reading buddy at the library and participate in a super fun business program called Junior Achievement. All of these experiences have allowed me to have fun, challenge myself, and prepare myself for the student life beyond high school. Essentially, being at SDSS exposes me to a diverse selection of courses and opportunities that cater to my interests and allow me to be my best self.
Hi, my name is Jamie, and I'm planning a future in the skilled trades. I'm excited because at Stratford District Secondary School, I get to take classes in construction, manufacturing, and welding. For me, these courses are showing me that going into the trades is the best way for me to take an apprenticeship and proceed in the career I want. I love that an apprenticeship gives me a chance to train and learn while being paid. The best part of this is that SDSS has all of these amazing programs that allow me to start my apprenticeship early. I get to explore all these pathways through co-op and the Ontario Youth Apprenticeship Program. The support and encouragement I have been given by the tech teachers of these trades has been phenomenal. I hope you get to have the same amazing experience at Stratford District Secondary School that I have had.
Hi, my name is Noelle McClellan, and my plan is to attend Fanshawe College for their Architectural Technology program. I want to go to college because I was speaking with the tech design teacher, Mr. Edwards, and he explained that the college program offers hands-on opportunities and still gives you a solid foundation for that career path. The number one course that influenced my decision to go to college for the Architectural Technology program was definitely tech design. The teacher has a strong understanding of the material and explained it very clearly. I love the creative freedom in the course. The course was still very structured, but he allowed us the freedom to add in our own ideas, which was really beneficial. The teachers and my parents were definitely people who influenced my decision to go to college. They were very supportive and knowledgeable, and that made the decision really easy for me to make.
I am Zachary Holden, and I am currently working at Features Restaurant. I'll be continuing my work placement there following high school. I chose the workplace pathway because I wanted to be able to take a year off where I was able to work and save money for my future. Yes, there was another pathway I considered, and that is an apprenticeship. I plan on doing that in my future. My favorite moment from my classes has to be all the fun memories that I have made in my photography and my communication technology courses. These classes have given me so many good opportunities to meet and make new friends throughout the years. The courses at SDSS have helped me pursue this pathway because they have shown me what I really needed to be successful. The courses that help me the most are my communication technology and my photography classes, because now I've been able to do photo shoots to make some more money, and over the next year I plan on doing more photo shoots and continuing my job at Features.
My name is Adele Griba. I work at Curtis-Wright, and I'm planning to go to Queen's University for engineering physics this fall. SDSS has provided a uniquely enriching experience because of the extremely experienced and passionate staff. The teachers have first-hand experience in fields from engineering to chemistry to high tech, and it was very helpful to be able to just pick their brain about the experience that they got in their fields and as well as their background in post-secondary education. They're all very eager to help you with your learning, whether that's by joining clubs, staying after school, or just asking questions during class. Overall, SDSS has provided a supportive and safe environment to cultivate my curiosity in learning.
Thanks everyone for sharing your stories with us. Someone once told me that if your dreams don't scare you, they aren't big enough. Going to high school is a place where big dreams happen, and I know that can be scary. But let me tell you, as a new arrival myself, this is a big school with an even bigger family, and you will love becoming part of that very dynamic and caring community, a place where you feel you belong. I will end by saying stay safe, stay well, and we are so excited to meet you right here at Stratford District Secondary School, home of the Golden Bears. And remember, we got you covered. We'll see you soon.
Registration at Stratford District Secondary School is an easy process. Current Grade 8 Avon-Maitland District School Board students have received registration packages in their Grade 8 classes. Students outside our board are encouraged to call the guidance office at 519-271-9740, extension 418, and we will be happy to help. We look forward to welcoming you to our Golden Bear family.